Hi. Hello. Hi guys. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are as excited to see me as I am to see you. I don't know, my face it feels dull. I mean, I looked at the mirror earlier, I looked in the mirror earlier and my face looks so dull. I don't know what's wrong with me. But nonetheless, it doesn't stop the fact that I'm happy to be here with you guys. Nothing is ever going to hamper my happiness here with you guys. So, I am Jennifer. You can call me Jennifer, Miss Jennifer, to Jennifer, Auntie Jennifer, Auntie. That sounds like family. Okay, call me Auntie Jennifer, I guess. But whichever ways, there's a Jennifer in it. That's what matters. So, before we go on, I know it's an educational content, so I don't need formal introductions. But before I go on, I would really want to thank you guys. We Prepclass love you. I want to thank you for your comments, for dropping comments, for subscribing, for liking, for doing just about everything that you can do to show your support for our channel. We are really grateful and we appreciate all your efforts. And we Prepclass would always try to give you the best educational content there is out there. We got you. So still on We Got You, I came across verbal reasoning questions, that's past questions on Ugo C verbal reasoning. So you're correct, we are not doing English this time. I thought we'd deviate a little from it and look at verbal. So let's do a little brainstorming, task our brains a little, and have fun while learning. So I hope this is gonna be fun. I'm trying, you guys, I try my best to not be boring. So I hope this video isn't different. I hope it wouldn't be boring, I'll really try to make it boring. Okay, so please bear with me and enjoy with me while learning, that is. So, yeah, we have it. Our questions, let's move. So, why can't I seem to overlook subscription? Buying for subscription, why can't I seem to overlook it? It's like always there in my head. Please ask them to subscribe to our channel. Please ask them to. The voice it's always in my head. Please ask them to subscribe to our channel. So I'm telling you now, please subscribe to our channel. I can't seem to. I said, honestly, I promised myself that I wouldn't ask for subscription on this video, but it's here. It's not my fault. It's here. So please subscribe to our channel nonetheless. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel so that you can get the best of everything that Prepclass has to offer. So, having talked about that, let's go on. Let's move to the main deal. So, our first instruction says, in each of the following phrases, a word is missing. Choose from the given alternative the most appropriate word that fills the space. So our first question, okay, it's like a pair. So king and subject, ruler and what? Our options are ruling, road, country, people, and nation. So what is the relationship between king and subject? Now, a king is a traditional monarchical ruler, right? Monarchical ruler. And a subject, on the other hand, is a commoner. Someone ruled by a king, someone who's always at the service of a king. So that is the relationship between a king and a subject. So in other words, a ruler then would have the relationship of what? So a ruler, by the way, is just about anyone that rules, anyone that has a position, a political position. A queen, an emperor, a king, a president, a governor, A duke, a duchess, anyone in a political ruling position is a ruler. So a king is a ruler. That means king falls under ruler. So since king falls under ruler, a subject falls on the people. The people, right? The people who are ruled. So king is the subject, while ruler is the people. Okay, that is it. So our answer is people. A subject is a people or a person. And subject comprised of people, right? Or people comprised of subjects. So our answer is people, option D. There we have it. So let's move on to the second. The second question is captain and crew, patient and what? Captain and crew, patient and what? So our options are doctor, medicine, bed, sickness, and sleep. Which is it? So captain and crew are like opposites. Captain and crew. The opposite of captain, crew. And therefore, the opposite of patient would be doctor. So our answer is doctor. Who else is getting this feeling? It's like this is just antonym, right? Remember we learned about antonyms and synonyms in English language? So this is just like it. Opposite. Words, opposites. So our option is A. Our correct option is A, doctor. And we'll move on to number 3. Number 3, teacher and pupil. Lecturer and what? So options are blackboard, people, crowd, student, and classroom. Which is it? Now, there is a difference, a thin difference between a pupil and a student. Now, a pupil is a learner at the primary stage of learning. That is from your kindergarten to your nursery down to your primary. That is a pupil. So you are addressed as a pupil if you're in your primary stage of learning. But then from your secondary school down to your university, you are regarded as a student. Because at that stage, you are matured and you already know what you want. You already know, or at least have an idea of the particular field of study you want to go into. Okay? Or you want to study. So a student studies a particular subject or field of study in a tertiary institution. Okay? So while a lecturer teaches in a tertiary institution, a student studies in a tertiary institution. So teacher and pupil are like the primary stage, while lecturer and students are like the upper secondary stage. Okay, so we have it. Our answer is option D, students. Our fourth question, female and male, daughter and what? So it's like opposite. You're either a female or a male. And you're either a daughter or a what? So our options are A, brother, B, uncle, C, son, D, niece, and E, aunt. Which is it? So since a female is the opposite of a male, then a daughter would be the opposite of a son. So you're either a daughter or a son. A daughter is a female while a son is a male. That answers it. So our option is C. Option C, son. That's why we have a correct answer. So our fifth question, author and reader, master and what? An author, you're either an author, that's you either write a book or you read a book, right? So there are opposites. So the opposite of master would be what? We have chief, we have servant, messenger, king, and brother. Which is it? Now the opposite of master is servant. You're either the head of the house or you serve the head of the house. Okay, so that is it, servant, and that is option B. Yeah, that's option B. So there we have it. What, you want to listen to more? I'm going to save the next question as a surprise package. I'm not going to say it here in this video. So you will have to watch the next video to know what will unfold. Was that intriguing enough? Was it intriguing? Don't tell me it wasn't intriguing, please. Okay, so don't forget that you can reach out to us on WhatsApp. You can reach out to us on here on YouTube, and of course you can reach out to us via tele. Our number is written right now there, 090-353-21117. And of course you can go to our website www.prepclass.com.ng. And I forgot to say something else. I had something in mind. Also, yeah, our app. You can now download the Prepclass app on your Android or your computer, your iOS. You can go to the Google Play Store. You can go to the Apple Play Store, whichever one. You have our app on your phone. So we're everywhere you go. Okay, so that would be all. I asked for your comments. In, I think one of our previous videos, I asked for your comment. I don't think I've seen it. I don't know. I haven't been really chanced to really go through the comments. Forgive me, guys. Pardon me. I promise I'm going to go through it. I'm going to make up time to go through it one by one, and I will act on each of your comments. So help me, God. That sounded like a pledge. But it's a pledge anyways, so we got it. Act on it. Okay, so see you. I look forward to seeing your beautiful faces in our successive videos. But until then, be happy. It matters a lot. Okay? Whatever you do, be happy. Be happy, be strong, and be safe. And I said something about suggesting to me what you'd want me to say at the end of videos. I didn't get that. Perhaps I haven't really read the comments to see. But I think I got that. But it's okay. It's fine. I guess I'll just keep saying what I know how to say. Stay strong, stay happy, stay safe. Love you.